Parasite contamination can be treated with the assistance of different herbs. The principal thing you ought to do in these cases is to enhance the capacity of your immune system with their assistance, and afterward treat parasites. Most intense herbs that will enable you to wash down your parasites. Here's a closer look at these powerful herbs, including their actions against parasites and other health benefits. Vidanga, Imbelia ribes is the scientific name for this little shrub that commonly grows in India. Vidanga is also known as false black pepper since its fruits look similar to black peppercorns. Vidanga is a go-to herb in Ayurvedic medicine, including for treating parasites. Research suggests Vidanga is effective against tapeworms. This parasite absorbs its nutrients and expels waste through its outer covering or tegument. Studies suggest Vidanga may have several health benefits beyond its antiparasitic activity. Some of these potential benefits include digestive support. Vidanga may help reduce gas production in your gut and stimulate your bowels to move. Thyroid health. A sluggish thyroid can cause hair loss and constipation, which hinders your parasite cleansing efforts. Neem. Also known as Azadirachta indica, this fast-growing tree is nicknamed the village pharmacy since every part of it has potential health benefits. Antiparasitic actions of neem. Both lab and animal studies have shown that neem has antiparasitic actions against helminths, including ones that invade the digestive tract. Additionally, neem is traditionally used in some African countries for the prevention and treatment of malaria. May prevent biofilm formation. Bacteria, parasites, candida, and other pathogens can hide from your immune system and antibiotics by forming a protective biofilm. May increase bile flow and aid detox. Parasites spew toxins. Your liver processes toxins from your blood then releases them into bile. Triphala. Parasites often enter your body through your digestive system, which starts with your mouth. Once they get in, they can damage the lining of your digestive tract as they make your body their new home. In return, you may get digestive problems. Triphala supports your immune system, protect your joints, prevents cancer, regulates blood sugar levels. Clove. A test tube study found that clove oil killed up to 30% of nematode parasites while they were still in egg form. What better time to take out your enemy than before they can attack? Still, clove may be even more effective against hatched parasites, inactivating them. Hallarina. Hallarina antidysenterica, sometimes called kutaj or kirchi bark, comes from a shrub and is used in Ayurvedic medicine. Lab research suggests that extracts of Hallarina may paralyze parasitic worms in as little as 4 minutes and kill them in as little as 10 minutes. Still, killing them is only half the battle. You need to expel them quickly to prevent them from overloading you with toxins after they die. Hallarina may help stimulate your bowels and promote regular bowel movements, helping you expel the dead critters. It also may help alleviate constipation and diarrhea in general.